Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. Dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing colorful collection of crochet women circular jacket designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you. You can see different colors like black, blue, red, yellow, green, gray, white, off white, many more combination also and multicolor also in front of you. For creative and beautiful ladies who loves to wear such type of collection, I hope you like this collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful and always trendy, so I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this very beautiful collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get every beautiful crochet material like this crochet women circular jacket designs and many more. Like crochet baby frock designs, baby footwear collection, women footwear collection, baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, women long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, women leg warmers, neck warmers, women cap shawl, caplet poncho designs, women purse designs, socks designs, and in jewelry, crochet women necklace designs, earring designs, bracelet designs, finger rings designs, and feet jewelry, women anklet designs and baby anklet designs, many more. Dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. You can order and get very stylish and beautiful crochet women circular jacket designs of your choice. Please try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends, relatives, and also enjoy this video like you. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Bye.